At the closest point, there are only 12 miles between Scotland and Ulster. For more than 1,500 years, countless thousands have crossed this narrow sea. In the 17th century, a new kind of traveller came here in great numbers. Their coming changed Ireland and changed the world. They were at the heart of America's struggle for liberty. They carried the gospel to the farthest corners of the globe.
They're obviously glad to see you.
They are a dissenting voice.
They don't compromise very easily.
This is a story of repression and rebellion, of belief and betrayal, of unity and division, of a reformed faith planted in Ireland that flourished and spread to 4 continents. This is the story of Ulster's Presbyterians. Every September, the people of this County Antrim village gather together to celebrate their Ulster-Scots heritage. They are the descendants of Scottish settlers who came here in the 17th century. The Presbyterian church they brought with them is now the largest Protestant denomination in Northern Ireland. But Presbyterianism has always been a fractious faith. The democracy that defines it also creates division and dissent. In the aftermath of rebellion in 1798, we'll see how a battle between radicals and conservatives shatters Presbyterian unity in the early years of the 19th century. But as political union with Britain creates a new prosperity in Ulster, we'll follow in the footsteps of the missionaries who bring their Irish Presbyterian church to the other side of the world. The Presbyterian Church in Ireland originates in the mass migration of Scots to Ulster in the 17th century. As the church put down deep roots, a distinct community came together, united by a common heritage and a shared faith. As the 18th century dawns, Ulster's Presbyterians have become a unique tribe, an independent people who will continue to play their own distinctive part in Ireland's history. In the second chapter of their story, we'll follow the Ulster pioneers who helped to shape America's destiny.
In this period of time, you had ordinary people living through some of the world's most extraordinary events, when the contagion of liberty is going to finally break through and is going to set the whole world afire.
This is Philadelphia, the cradle of the American Revolution, and it's the 4th of July. This is America's birthday, the date chosen by an independent people to celebrate the beginnings of their nation's story. And it contains within it the stories of another independent people. The Ulster Presbyterians who brought their church and their passionate commitment to liberty to this new world. It was Francis McKemmy, a Donegal minister, who struck the first blow for American civil and religious liberty. The enduring belief that the pursuit of happiness is the right of every American citizen came from another, Francis Hutcheson, a minister from County Down. His radical philosophy is enshrined in the American Declaration of Independence, an independence that thousands of Ulster Presbyterians would fight to defend. On home ground, we'll tell the tale of a house divided as conflict fractures the Presbyterian Church. And we'll consider the forces that drive Presbyterians to rebellion. It's a story of exodus and enlightenment, of reason and revolution, of division and union. They were the marginalized who became the powerful, the dissenters who became the conservatives, the outsiders who became the establishment. For more than 400 years, they've been an independent people.